it's Shundara. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Oh, we're here. Okay, so here is Oxado World. Isn't it beautiful? Wow, this is so amazing. Okay, under the sea, under the sea. This is so nice, you guys. Look at this. Wow. I am really hoping to get a cat, so I'm just steady trying to grind with these eggs. It is so crazy, you guys. So apparently we have a new coin. It's a cute little coin. Look kind of rainbow, right, you guys? So let's go ahead and start grinding out. It is so complicated to get to this world, you guys. Like literally you have so much to do. So I know all of you guys know, well, if you don't know because you haven't got in there, you have to break 10 chests. So after you break the 10 chests, that's kind of like the easiest part of the game. After the chests, there are 50 loot bags, and the loot bags are pretty easy to get. You know, you can go and like mine like the big chests on the side of Tech World. That's like so easy. The hardest part I felt personally, oh, we got an Easter fox, cool. The hardest part I felt personally when trying to get it was the pets, because I always thought it was easy to get dark matter pets, so I never tried to get it. But no, it's complicated. So if you don't know how to get a dark matter pet, I'm gonna show you right now so you can come and enjoy this world with me under the sea, under the Oxado World. I can afford to buy an Oxado egg, so let's go ahead and buy the 2 Oxado eggs we can afford. I am so excited. Let's start off with the 35k and see what we get. What do we get? Oh, we get a camel Oxado egg. He is so cute with his tongue sticking out. Oh, I thought his tongue was sticking out. He is still cute. Okay, so we got a chill Oxado as well. Okay, so really cool. And how many billions is that? That's 51.2 billion, and then the other Oxado is a 51.7. Okay, you guys, so let's go ahead and grind for more coins. So now let me explain to you officially how we get a dark matter egg. So this is what you have to do. The first thing you have to do is you have to make your pet golden. Okay, so in Spawn World, you can either make your pet golden or you can buy golden pets. It's much cheaper to actually buy the golden pets than to make your pet golden. It's just really cheaper. So if it was me and I was you, I would just buy a golden pet because it's just much cheaper, you guys. That way, you know, you'll have it. Oh, let's go to this next world and see what we have. I'm so excited. We're in the next world. Oh, look at all these chests. Okay, we in the trillions now. My little pets are slowing down. Okay, so let me finish. So now you have a golden pet, right? So now that you have a golden pet, now it's time to make the pet rainbow, and that's where it gets just a little bit complicated because it's based on percentages, and then you have to have the same amount of pet to make it rainbow. So you guys, what you need to do to make your pet rainbow, you need to have like 5 or 6 of the same pet. It doesn't matter, it could be 5 chickens, 5 slimes, 5 lambs, 5 pigs. It doesn't matter as long as you have 5 of the same pets. And then you go to the rainbow station and it makes 1 pet of the same pet rainbow. So once you have 1 pet of the same pet rainbow, then it's time to make a dark matter pet. But the dark matter part is where the issue begins. So now you have your rainbow pets. Now you have to go back to Tech World to the dark matter station and you have to make them dark matter. So dark matter, it takes a very long time, you guys. And depending on how long you want to wait, it's up to you. Oh, we get to purchase the big chest with the rainbow coins. Let's say yes and hit this chest, honey. Okay. So now that we've hit this chest, oh, is he about to break it before us? You know, I'm so sick of these boys. These boys are messy. Ugh. Anyways, you kitties, let's go ahead and discuss how to get these dark matter pets. So one rainbow pet takes 5 days, and if you have 6 pets, that only takes about 30 minutes. So the more rainbow pets you have, the less time you have to wait to make your pets dark matter. And also remember, you need 3 pets, and they could be 3 of the same pets or 3 of any pets, but you need 3 of the same rainbow pets, or 3, you guys get what I'm saying. You need 3 rainbow pets to make your pets dark matter, and the more pets you have, the less time you get to spend making your pets dark matter. And go to this beautiful world with me. It is so amazing. Let me try to get this loot bag. I can't get my loot bag because it hit the platform. Oh, well, let's go ahead and buy this egg. This is the shiny Oxado egg for 150,000 rainbow coins. Oh, we got a nature Oxado. How cute. Let's buy another one. I'm so excited. Oh, we got another one. Get a golden Oxado egg for 315,000 coins and see what we get. Oh, we got a golden chill Oxado. How adorable. Oh, this chest is gonna take a minute, you guys. But yeah, that's how you get dark matter pets. It took me so long to figure it out. I had to ask so many people, how do you get a dark matter pet? How do you get a dark matter pet? And finally figuring it out. I'm so happy because this world is so amazing, you guys. How cute they are. Look at how adorable they are. They are so cute. Wow, they're breaking that chest faster, you guys. Look at that. Wow, that is amazing. I can't believe it. Okay, so we are finally almost done with this chest, you guys. We are about to break it. Look how much we have left of this chest, you guys. I am so excited. And then we get to go and see the second world. I wonder what we get. I'm really excited. I am so excited. Let's use all my little boosters so I could get this chest quicker. Wow, look at all this loot. Oh, I am in the money. We're in the money. Okay, you guys, so it is time to go back to the void and head to the other world so you guys can see what it looks like and how amazing it is. Okay, so this is Pixel World, you guys. Let's go ahead and head up here and see. Okay, so this world takes rainbow coins too. Yeah, so this is Pixel World. Doesn't this look a little bit like Minecraft to you guys, or is it me? It looks like a mixture of Spawn World and Minecraft. Let me know in the comments down below, what do you guys think? Wow, I feel like I'm in Minecraft and Roblox. This is so epic. Oh wow, my little babies go fast here. Look at the axolotls. They are tearing up these chests so quickly. Okay, come through. Okay, so let's go ahead and see what type of eggs we are going to get here, but we need to farm a little bit. Wow, I can't believe this looks so much like Minecraft, you guys. Let me know in the comments down below, do you guys think it's Spawn World? Are you amazed by this world? I am so curious what you guys think of it. Okay, so we have enough coins. Let's go ahead and buy the pixel egg and see what we get. Okay, so we got a pixel cat. Does Spawn World have cats? No, Tech World has cats, right? Actually, they all have cats, but you know. So here are the pets I have. You guys are like, wow, you have so many. I mean, a lot of y'all probably have way more than me, honey. This is nothing. So let's see if we can hit 15 million rainbow coins. You guys think like Minecraft is coming to Roblox in this pet simulator? Because it's really giving me Minecraft tease. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. So let's go ahead and open the golden pixel egg and see what we get. Da 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 da. Oh, we got a rare chick. Okay, so let's go ahead and get all these coins that we have to mine, you guys, because we gotta make this money, honey, so we can open the 15. So now we have 15 million coins. Let's go ahead and unlock the other side of the world. Don't you guys think this looks like Spawn World, or is it me, just like a different like color graphics? Or is it just me? You guys are probably gonna say it's just me, but it looks just like Spawn World to me. Wow, that is amazing. Wow, you need 1 billion rainbow coins. I don't think we're gonna make it that far today, you guys, with the 1 billion rainbow coins. So I know we can afford a spotted egg. I'm curious if we should go get it or not. But I don't think we're gonna make it to that 1 billion. I'm already tired. You guys, let me know in the comments down below, what do you guys think? Okay, so now we're gonna go and get an egg and we're gonna see what we get. I'm so excited to see. Okay, so we got a pixel goblin. He's kind of cute. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. Okay, so let's see what else we get. Another pixel goblin. Oh, look at them. They're so cute how they eat the chests. You know what pet really triggers me the most? I know some of you guys probably have like favorite pets, but what about your trigger pet? My trigger pet is the cat. That cat magician. I fell in love with it and then I was like, you know, I don't know. It's something really off about that cat. And you know I love kitties. We are officially at 75 million. Let's go ahead and open this one. I don't know, we may not get to 1 billion today. We'll have to save that for a later date. Okay, y'all, tell me this is not giving Spawn World tease. Snow, desert. You see it, don't you? Let me know in the comments down below, what do you guys think? But it's still a nice world. It's just, I don't know, it's just really, I was expecting it more to be like, I don't know. Oh, someone else is already over there with the 1 billion. They work fast. I feel like I'm so on ahead. Good grief. Let's go ahead and get another pet, you guys, and see what we get. And then we'll have to work on that egg. Okay, so we are able to do the rainbow pixel eggs. Do I have enough? Okay, I have enough. Let's see which one. Should we get one? Yeah, let's get one and open it. What do we get? I'm so excited. Okay, so we got a pixel pink slime. I'm a good slime slurp. He is so cute. I'm gonna have to go ahead and enchant them soon as well. But let me know in the comments, what do you guys think of this world? How do you guys feel about it? What do you think? Let me know in the comments down below. Do you really like this world? Were you into it? Let me know. Are you excited to get your dark matter pets so you can officially get out of tech world? Let me know in the comments down below. With that being said, kitties, I want to thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you thumbs up this video. And make sure you're following me on all my social media sites. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in our next video. Bye, you guys. Mwah.